Want to remove a same color background in Photoshop quickly and professionally? In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to do it step by step. Let's get started. First, import your image into Photoshop. Click on the layer and press Ctrl+J to duplicate it. Right-click on the duplicated layer and convert it into a smart object. Rename this layer as Filter. Now go to Filter, then select Sharpen and choose Unsharp Mask. Apply the settings shown on your screen. Next, go to the Select menu and click on Subject. Photoshop will automatically detect the main subject. Now click on the original background layer and temporarily hide the upper layer, then add a layer mask. And just like that, you can clearly see that the background has been removed. That's how you remove same color backgrounds easily in Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to TBO Graphics for more simple and professional Photoshop tutorials.